Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make beef liver updated. Start by trimming silver membrane and veins from the liver before slicing into even pieces. Choose a simple marinade of milk or lemon water to mellow bitterness, then season lightly with salt and pepper. Preheat skillet to medium-high, add oil, then sear quickly to avoid toughness. Rest briefly and slice across the grain to serve tender pieces. Start seasoning soon after trimming so flavors can settle into the liver. A short milk soak is great, then pat slices dry to help seasonings adhere and to promote browning. Lightly flouring the pieces creates a crisp crust while keeping interiors moist. Use moderate salt and a touch of paprika for warmth, and handle slices gently to preserve a tender mouthfeel when cooking and serving. Use a hot skillet and cook quickly to maintain a soft texture inside the liver. 1 to 2 minutes per side usually yields a tender result, but thickness matters, so monitor closely. Resist the urge to cook until well done, since overcooked liver turns grainy and dry. Let the slices rest briefly, then slice across the grain for the best bite and presentation on the plate.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.